Hey guys, I'm Ariana the Techie. I founded multiple tech startups, raised millions of dollars in venture capital. Today, I'm going to talk about a really cool AI tool that I think could be helpful for business owners, creators, those of you who are building things and you want them to be built quickly. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and we're going to talk about a tool I just discovered. Now, everyone knows about GoDaddy, right? They're huge. We all buy our domains there, and maybe you've been a customer of theirs for many years. Like me, I've been a customer for almost 10. But what's very interesting to me is that they just dropped a tool called GoDaddy Airo that allows you to quickly build applications. And let's walk through how that works today. So this is GoDaddy Airo. As you can see on the right, I've already been playing around building different platforms and systems, but it is exactly what it says it is. You can put in a prompt and it literally will allow you to build a live web application, whatever idea, whatever concept. What's also interesting is that you can build not only just websites like most of the AI platforms, but you can build a website and you can also build a web application or a mobile app that you need for your company or your idea. So we're going to do that today. Right now, we're going to just build something simple, something easy, something that's relatable to a lot of business owners and those of you who actually watch my channel. So today we're going to say make a website for a makeup salon based in, let's say, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Oklahoma. I think it's Oklahoma. It has an O. Oh my God. I don't know how to spell Oklahoma, guys. In Tulsa, Oklahoma, with a customer base of women who are between the ages of 25 and 45 years of age. Whenever I'm using AI tools and prompts, I'm always very descriptive. It's very important to talk about who your audience is. It's very important to talk about the vibe of whatever you're building. I've often found that people don't have really good products because that are produced from AI tools because they're not descriptive. You have to be as descriptive as possible. So we're going to say the color scheme will be pink, green, and yellow. Okay. So we're going to do that. We're going to go ahead and hit the button. What I love about GoDaddy Airo as well is that it's not just like spitting out an application. It actually asks you questions and stuff throughout just to get clarity to understand fully what your vision is for the product or the app that you're building. See, for example, it says, what is the name of your makeup salon? So we're going to go with Blush and Bloom because I think that's beautiful. And what services do I want to highlight? Like, I love that it's thinking from the forefront of like, what are the critical things that are going to be important for your business? It's not just like a flat chat, right? Many of the platforms that I've used, I don't like them because they feel like flat chat. So we're going to say that bridal makeup, because bridal makeup makes a lot of money, okay, in the industry. And the most important thing I would say is booking an appointment because I want to make some money. I'm a business owner. So let's see what GoDaddy Airo continues to spit up. Again, you want to make sure that you're being super descriptive. What I also liked about, you're about to see this in a couple of seconds, this platform moves very fast. I have used, let's just say, other competitor platforms, and they are so incredibly slow. One platform that I recently used, I mean, it took like over 20 minutes to build an application, and it was just annoying and I had to stop. So it still says that it's thinking, it's planning, it's taking in all that data that we just put in. And let's see how long this actually takes. So I think I did this at 10:34 a.m. Right now it's 10:35. So let's see how long it takes GoDaddy Airo. It's getting the logos together. That's the other thing that I really liked about it is that I don't have to separately use another platform for certain things. Like other apps, like I may have to separately come up with a logo. Like it's already thinking of a logo for me in fonts and generating that all at once. Usually it's like, okay, you have to figure out what's going to be the color scheme, what's going to be the logo, what's going to be the, the font and the text as like separate sections of a site or processes in building a website. But on Airo, it kind of does it all at once. Of course, you can still tweak it, make edits and everything as you're editing your website, but it seems to be moving really good. Okay, so now, it's asking me for quick options. I'm gonna go with this vibe, this photo. These are some uploads that it has. Okay, now we're gonna go back. I think it's still loading. It is now 10:36, 2 minutes. Oh, this is so cool. The logo options that it's giving. This is really cool. All right, so phase one is, so it also breaks everything down in phases. As you just saw, like phase one was just like that logo font kind of vibe style. Now it's generating like photos and logos. So phase two, if you can see right here on the left, is the header and footer. And then phase three will be the home page for the website. Okay, and now it's 10:38 p.m. So that's exactly what I said. We started at 10:34. So that's exactly 4 minutes to get this web. Mind you, it did not just generate like a website. It gave us a logo, a website font. I chose my picture. Look at this, like how it's showcasing the services, bridal makeup, special occasion, everyday glam. This is literally an already made website. Of course, we want to go in and you can edit, and there's an edit button right here, but when we're talking about using something that moves very quickly, this is just insane. Again, other platforms that I have used, and this is just me being very frank, other platforms I have used take much longer to generate. And you also have to kind of think about, each step in making and building the process separately. But this does it all literally. I mean, we haven't even been here for 10 minutes. Let me know what you all think about GoDaddy Airo. I think that this is super cool. I think they're changing the game of how we build. This is GoDaddy Airo Beta. I'm definitely going to be using this platform, and I hope that you do too.